Ever wondered why the chemical symbol for sodium is Na, not S? Or why potassium symbol is K? The world of elements is a fascinating one, brimming with history and intrigue. The symbols we use today often stem from an element's Latin, Greek, or German name rather than its English one. This divergence creates a unique blend of science and language that has stood the test of time. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to uncover the stories behind these puzzling symbols. First up, we have sodium, potassium, and iron. Sodium symbol Na has a rather interesting backstory. Its name derives from natrium, the Latin form of the Greek word nitron. This Greek root is a nod to the times when ancient civilizations used soda ash, a sodium-rich compound, for various purposes. Next in line is potassium, symbolized as K. The K comes from kalium, the Latin name for potassium. This word itself originated from the Arabic term alkali, which translates to calcined ashes. This name reflects the age-old practice of obtaining potassium carbonate from the ashes of burnt plants. Lastly, let's talk about iron, denoted by Fe. This symbol comes from the Latin word for iron, ferrum. The term ferrum not only means iron, but also signifies a sword, hinting at the metal's historic use in crafting weaponry. Isn't it fascinating how these ancient languages have shaped the world of chemistry? Continuing our exploration, next on our list are copper, silver, and tin. These elements have interesting tales to tell about their symbols. Copper, denoted as Cu, owes its symbol to its Latin name cuprum. This name was derived from Cyprium, which was the Greek name for Cyprus. This island was renowned for its abundant copper reserves, hence the connection. Now let's turn to silver, symbolized as Ag. This symbol originates from the Latin name argentum. It's believed that this name was derived from an ancient Indo-European language, and it possibly refers to the shiny characteristic of silver. And lastly, we have tin, symbolized as Sin. This symbol comes from its Latin name stannum. It's thought to have roots in the Indo-European term stag, which means dripping. This might be a reference to tin's low melting point, causing it to drip when heated. These elements bring to light the rich tapestry of language and culture embedded in the periodic table. Moving forward, we encounter antimony, tungsten, and gold. Let's dive into the roots of their symbols. Antimony, with the symbol Sb, derives its name from the Latin stibium. This term, intriguingly, is rooted in the Greek word stibi, which refers to eye paint, a nod to the use of antimony compounds as ancient cosmetics. The word likely has further origins in Arabic or Egyptian language. Turning to tungsten, it's symbolized as W not from its English name but from its German name Wolfram. Wolfram itself is derived from wolframite, the name of the ore in which tungsten was frequently discovered. Finally, we have gold, symbolized as Au, from its Latin name aurum. This term, which means yellow, is derived from aurora, the word for dawn. The name gold, used in Germanic languages, translates to yellow, shining metal. These symbols remind us of the global heritage of scientific knowledge. Last but not least, we have mercury and another look at potassium. Mercury, known as H on the periodic table, traces its roots to the Latin hydrargyrum, meaning liquid silver. Potassium, on the other hand, is represented as K, which hails from its Latin name, kalium. This name was given by the German chemist Martin Heinrich Klaproth, highlighting the international language of science. Just like that, we have deciphered the stories behind 11 confusing element symbols. From ancient Greek to Arabic, Latin, and German, the symbols of elements carry the legacy of our linguistic past. We have journeyed through the origins of 11 confusing symbols, unearthing their history and cultural significance. Next time you look at the periodic table, you'll see not just chemical elements, but a fascinating fusion of languages and cultures. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science